Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check login history in Salesforce. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To check login history in Salesforce, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Salesforce app, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account with the credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the setup. To do it, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and then select setup. Then inside, in the quick find box, type in login history. Then you will be taken to a page showing the login attempts for all users in your organization. Then the login history page will show date or time of login attempt, user who attempted to log in, login status, success or failure, IP address of the login attempt, then login type, either web, API, mobile or etc., and application used like Salesforce Classic, Lightning, etc. Then you can download the login history as a CSV file for further analysis by simply clicking on download button provided to you. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.